Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Got something kind of cool today. We have, of course, the 53 in the background that we did the chop top on. But sitting in front of me is the brand new 2024 AHP AlphaTIG 225XI. This is the brand new 25 model. I actually was going to get a 24, but they were sold out. So I've had to wait since December for this one to ship, and they finally released it and I jumped on it and got one ordered. UPS just dropped it off, so let's get it unboxed and see what she looks like. So right out of the gate we got the owner's manual on top. Once we open it up, the plug is attached, it looks to be. It has made a dent into this box. It probably holds the pedal and everything, but overall the packaging looks pretty decent. You can see it's in a foam case, and the box suffered a little bit of damage. Of course, you know, shipping anything UPS, this is kind of what you just kind of go with it. So there's a couple little spots, but we're gonna go ahead and get it out of the box and see how she looks, make sure there's no damage, and go from there. Alright, well, here she is. They had her packed inside a really nice styrofoam case. This was the bottom piece that was underneath of it. I had to rip it a little bit to get it to come loose. This is about a 60-pound unit, but there's the unit herself. And if you've got one of the older models, you'll see they look kind of similar. There are a few upgrades we'll go over later. And then we've got the box of accessories that's pretty well packed. So we're going to get this stuff out, see what we got in the little box, and check it out. So we got the back panel here. We'll show you real quick. You got your main on and off. You got your voltage. Coming out is, of course, you know, these will set up to run 220 or 110. So you've got your normal plug. They also include the adapter, so you can go to 110. Got a basic consumables kit. We got a number 6 and 7 lens. We've got, of course, your back. We got a couple collets. Does come with decent earth clamp, and of course the gas line. Got a nice little regulator in the box. Kind of hard to see with the plastic on it. Does have also, for if you want to do 2T or 4T, you got your finger switch. Of course, this will do stick welding, so they come with a stick electrode. And you got a decent Nova torch assembly with it. Looks like it's going to be more than adequate for what we're doing around here. So a lot of accessories for that. Got a Nova. See if we can zoom in on him. It's a 22 series foot pedal. So I'm a foot pedal kind of guy, so I probably won't be using upslope and downslope functions, but if we open her up, you can see it does have pulse settings, and it's nice because you can do pedal, 2T, 4T, it'll do AC, it'll do DC or stick. Pulse has got 2 settings. Of course, you've got amperage control, your AC. What's nice about this being an inverter, I've got frequency control, and of course I can set my AC positive cleaning action. It goes from 20 to 80%. So, and then we've got pre-flow, post-flow, and then of course your downslope time and your main amp control. Nice digital readout. Of course, you've got your hookups in the front, negative, your control, positive, and of course your gas outlet. So this is what, as I bump over the box, this is what comes in your box if you order the new 225. I'm excited to get this hooked up. I've got consumables. It's supposed to be here today. We did pick up, got a new straight argon tank, a 125, so that'll be getting put into use. She'll sit next to the plasma cutter right there. And yeah, this is the new one. And I got some scrap aluminum to play with, and I got a bunch of stuff to do. I'm actually going to build a new fab table, so we'll get to use it and try it out on that. We'll film that and see how she works, and then we're going to start putting this roof back together. after we section it. So it's going to get a workout, and I'm excited. So I'll get this uploaded real quick, and you guys can see what the new one looks like, and then hopefully in the next day we'll get some video of it running.